To plan a social media content calendar, first, we must understand the types of content suitable for each platform. The last video taught us how to build brand strategies using user personas. And in this video, we will learn to plan different types of content for each day of the week across platforms. In this episode, Megha Jain, online campaign manager at Digital Freak, will explore how we can adapt the language and tone for each platform. By diversifying content types and effective planning, brands can maintain a consistent and engaging social media presence.
Type of content that goes on social media, you can take a screenshot of this. On Facebook, the type of content that can go would be text, images, videos, and links. Whereas on Instagram, it is images and video. On Twitter, it is text, images, videos, and links. On LinkedIn, it is text, image, video, and link. And on Pinterest, it is videos, images, and links, right? So by link, I basically mean to say that you can post a link of the blog article as well. On Instagram, links don't work, or they only work in story and in bio, right? In a post, a carousel or single image, if you put a link, that is not clickable, right? So these are the type of content that you can post on every social media platform. Coming to the next part, that is, what can you post from a brand's social media handle? Now, suppose you are managing the social media of a brand, right? So now every day you can't think, na, ki, okay, today I'll post this, today I'll post that. No, you have to decide in advance. So from here, you can get the ideas. You can post how to content curation. You can curate content from the website. You can post case studies. You can, post charts and graphs. You can create ebooks for people to download. You can, even go with blogs, videos, surveys, SlideShare. There are multiple more ideas that I have over here that I have put. Summary, tool review, giveaway, FAQ, quotes, polls, podcast, pinboard, dictionary, guide, collage. These are some ideas that I have put over here. So now let's quickly go to Instagram. I'll show you what I'm actually trying to say. Suppose we go with Zomato over here, right? So if I go with Zomato, see here they have asked a question. This is a single image one, right? Then this is more like a game. Then they also have polls, that what do you prefer, A or B, right? So all these are the different types of posts, A versus B, A or B, right? So these are the types of things that you can post on a social media platform, okay, from a brand's profile. Do you want to see what user generated content looks like? Suppose I come over here and I go with Fitter with Squags, okay? It posts a lot of user generated content. User generated means people created the content you are just posting. Like suppose there is the transformation of someone. This story is not created by brand. This story is given by customer only. Brand is just posting it from the handle. So this type of content is called user generated content, right? So you can also post these things on social media.
If you have made it to this point in the video, do subscribe for more such content. And click on the link below to check out our other courses. We offer an array of programs from top universities in India as well as abroad. Alright, now let's get back to the lesson.
So today what we are going to work upon is that we are going to go like this, that brands that apply these, like upGrad keeps posting, these blog article. Then Udacity has created, quick tips on, how to go with new styles of interview. So these are tips and tricks. These are, blog articles. So this is what companies are posting these days. Then over here, we have Zomato, doing a poll. Which Jira, like Jira that people relate with. One Jira that we see, other Jira is the platform that, engineers use mostly. Then over here, Twitter is giving you information about companies' new feature. So these are different types of posts that you can put on social media, like this, a video, blog article, 6 in-demand jobs. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to create a content calendar like this, okay? So based on Yulu, Rapido, Zomato, Blinkit, the brands that are given to you, you have to decide that what can you post on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right? So you can post a link to the blog article. You can post, a poll between two different things. You can also create a video on different features of your product. You can also create behind the scenes post. Then you can also retweet content. You can even put a motivational quote, or maybe you can share a user generated content. You can also select client testimonials. So these are the different things that you can post. So you basically have to make it for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, and for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. That's it. Okay, so basically your grid would look basically like this. Suppose I quickly zoom in like this, it would be like this. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, and it would be for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Okay, so these are the different uh, days and different platforms that you have to put a post on. Can we post same content on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter? Yes, you can just change the language a little bit. You can do that. Suppose I take example of upGrad. upGrad can post on Monday one video from founder. On Tuesday they can have a poll for students. On Wednesday they can have a motivational quote. On Thursday they can have maybe a joke or a meme. And on Friday they can have ask me anything session, right? So these are different type of content you can create for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, you can create different content. On Facebook, it can be bit informal. On Instagram, it can be more on the sarcastic side. On LinkedIn, it can be more professional, and on Twitter, it can be more opinionated and basically something for engagement. So you have to basically create a content calendar. Okay. Again, I'll show you how it would look like this. Okay. This is how your content calendar would also look like.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop this video a like, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to learn and explore more such topics, head to the link below to gain access to more marketing lessons and subscribe to this channel for more. Until next time.